Hello, Oliver. I am updating my progress report for the British Council, and I noticed that you are getting really behind in the course. I've sent several messages, and I've asked Jeremy to get in touch with you so you can go back here. In part one, there was like 5 modules, no work, and then starting off here in part two, no work. Um, I know you've attended some live sessions, but um, I just thought that maybe a video would help. Okay, so here I'm logged into the course as you. Okay, um, so as you can see, we are last week we finished this. We were working in this module, and this week is this module. And as you can see, 0 of 3. You are really, 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 really getting behind. Um, if there's anything that I can do to help, please let me know. But I'm just really getting worried. You can contact myself or you can contact Jeremy. I've asked Jeremy to get in touch with you. I hope he has. So anything that I can do to help you get going in the course, please let me know. Okay? Thank you.